Educational systems worldwide have been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, contributing to the almost complete closure of all educational institutions. Online classes, which we also call the new normal, have been challenging and extremely difficult to adjust for the students as well as the teachers. To contribute into solving this matter, we came up with our project Monyet Baca Science, better known as MBSc. MBSc is an online community engagement project that aims to cultivate a love for reading in students, provide learning opportunities, and empower students to discover new interests despite the COVID-19 pandemic. On 2nd May to 5th June 2021, for a duration of 5 weeks, we have successfully collaborated with two schools, which includes SMJK Nanhua and SJKC Kursing, in organizing virtual programming and DIY science workshops. The workshops conducted were not only limited to students from the collaborated schools, but also open to all primary and secondary school students in Malaysia. Both the workshops conducted have managed to garner the participation of an average of 70 students. On the last day of both workshops, quiz sessions were conducted as students compete by answering engaging and fun questions based on the lessons conducted during the workshops. 68 students took part in the quizzes, and 28 students emerged as the winners as they were awarded RM10 to RM20 KFC vouchers based on the number of correct answers they obtained during the quizzes. The students also demonstrate their willingness to learn more from us as they inquire if the workshops will be held again next year. Following the success of the programming and DIY science workshops, our team introduced Baca UTP on the 16th of May 2021, which is a mobile application developed to act as a platform for students to have easy access to reading materials online. Baca UTP enables students to search for reading materials in the language they want to read in. In addition to that, students can utilize the dictionaries provided in the mobile application when they encounter new words to be added into their vocabulary. Baca UTP is available for all to download on the MBSc website. With this mobile application available to all, students can be motivated and encouraged to read while giving them a wider range of opportunities to develop their literacy skills. On another note, to assist the students facing internet connectivity issues and unavailability of suitable electronic devices for online learning, we have managed to secure a sponsorship to equip 13 students from SJKC Kursing with Samsung tablets and data SIM cards. The selected students to receive the Samsung tablets and data SIM cards are from B40 families that do not have the ownership of hardware or electronic devices and reliable internet connections. This ensures that the group of disadvantaged students do not fall behind in their studies even during the school closures. From this project, we hope that our efforts have successfully aided students to continue their learning amidst the COVID-19 pandemic.